This shows you how to take out the coin acceptor in the box. You will see there are 4 screws over here, so I just need to remove these 4 screws, then it's okay. You might need a tool like this to remove the screw. Okay, so let's use this one. Okay, just lose it. Once you get it loose, you can use your hand to remove the screw. Okay, like this. And you can unplug this first and make sure you plug it back in the same position. One last one. Okay, so the screws and the nuts. Then remove in front. Okay, now you can take another new one. You can take another new one to install it. Okay. The same, you put it in first, and with all the nuts. Okay, one more. The last one. Okay, and make sure the plug is plugged back to the original position. The red wire is on top. You have to make sure this. Finally, just need to tighten it up a little bit, just a little bit. Then it's okay, it's done. Yes.